So the next thing I want to talk about that makes it a better experience for the golf course operator and for the golfer or your customers is events. So I think this is, and specifically, this is my favorite module because you can manage all of your internal events, external events directly from here. It creates BEOs. But I'm specifically going to talk about online events, right? So I know as operators, if you want to host like an Easter brunch or, maybe the Chili Open or any kind of event, it's kind of, you have to print off a bunch of signs and, to promote it out. And then people come in and they register in the golf shop, and you got to keep track on a spreadsheet, and you have a file folder with all your registrants, and they fill out paperwork. Well, this makes it a lot easier for both the golfer, a lot easier, and for the golf course operator. You could come in here and you can go ahead and edit, or add a new event here. And so I'll go ahead and just show this one, this Chili Open. You can name the event. It can be a free event or a fee. You can say, hey, there's a max number of registrants of 144. Each person can only sign up a top or 4 players. You can upload a banner image, so you have a little image on your website. Event date, sign up start date, and end date. So you'll only be able to register for this during that time. It'll only be displayed on your website. And then what's nice is you could preload your entire year if you wanted to of your open events. And then it'll only display between the start date and end date. And then you can have a little event description as well. So as soon as you do this, it will populate to your website where users can look at your calendar, see what events are open. And actually here, let me go ahead and just go to that real quick. So our iframes here, we have a lot of different iframes. But if I just click them here, and what's nice about these iframes are not only are they on your website, but you have access to these to promote them on your social media or through an email marketing or maybe an ad. Maybe you want to promote an ad on Facebook for an event, whatever it may be. You can even help charity events by doing this, right? So you can see here, these are all the events that are applicable. Like the short game clinic with PGA Pro Stu Proctor. And then your golfer could come in here and either sign in if they have an account or create a new account, and they can go ahead and register for this event. And they can pay for it too. So they can pay for it through credit card. Your members, if you do have membership, can put it on their member account, as you can see here. And then additionally, not selected here, you can also pay for it through a gift card. So if you had a gift card from the facility and you wanted to use that, you can do that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my member account here. And then as soon as this processes and registers me, again, everything in our system is in real time. So you'll see it will be located under here. And if I go short game clinic with Stu Proctor, you can see all your registrations. You can see I just registered today, how many I registered for, and the paid amount. So again, great customer experience, easy to register for events for the golfer, and then also easy for the operator to be able to post them, manage them, and see all your registrations.